Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you, and today we're talking about a new product out in the market, and they have like a whole like makeup set that they have. They have like, like these eyeshadow palettes, they have foundation, they have these dewy like shimmery sticks. They got like pretty much a bunch of stuff, and I wanted to grab every single one of them, but I'm like, no, Sarah, no. Back it up and pick what you really want. Think real hard. What do you really want? So I was at Ulta and I was like swatching and like playing with the makeup and seeing what I wanted, looking at the swatches under the lights. I'm like, And I'm like, at first I was like, do I need any of this stuff? Do I need it? No, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. So I walked away. But I'm like, but I do really want this one product. Really want it because it looks so freaking gorgeous. And that one product I picked up is the sparkling Pina Colada. That is the packaging right there. And just a little quick, I guess, what they talk about in the back. It says, Too Faced, light up your look with these tropical gold pure sparkle highlighter drops created with our exclusive weightless formula that smells like fresh pina colada. So it does smell really nice. Oh, and like I was watching like their glitter shimmery sticks, and like they all smell so freaking nice, and that is definitely a plus. So this is an all over glow, and you can use it by itself or you can add it to your foundation or moisturizer, and you have to shake well before you use it, obviously, because the glitter can settle down and the liquid can you gotta shake well. That's like a given. So they have two of these, like, what do they call this? Highlighting drops. So they have two of these highlighting drops. They have this one, and this one was like a more goldy, like a gold glitter type, and the other one had more pink glitter in it. And yes, I love pink. That's my favorite color, but I feel like on my skin tone, like the gold might be better for me. So alright, so here is the actual packaging. So that's what it looks like. And just in case if you forget, it does say to shake me, baby, shake me. Alright, so by the way, the packaging is super cute. Look at those pineapples and like coconuts and everything. That's really cute. Alright, so it does say to shake me, so shake it up. And it is a clear packaging, so you can tell if the product has been shaken up nicely. Alright, so let's open it up. And it is a dropper, so you can tell. So I'm going to do one drop on the back of my hand, so my hand has nothing on it, alright? And show you guys what this looks like. I tested it out at the store, and I'm like, I need it. I need it. Do I need it? No, I don't need it, but I need it. But I need it. So, we're going to take just one drop, alright? Bloop. Just one drop. And close that up before I spill it. Alright, so close it up. And just gonna use my finger to just, spread that around. Okay. And can you guys see that? See, this is, you have to see how pretty this is. Alright, I'm gonna actually use my phone and show you guys with the flash on it, because I think that works best when it comes to like, what do you call it? When it comes to showing glitter and how glittery it is. Okay, so give me 1 second. Let me get my phone and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my hand with the glitter highlighting drops. That is one drop. And look how pretty that looks. Imagine mixing that with your foundation. Ooh, so pretty. Or just putting that on your body, so pretty. That's one drop, guys. And look at how much glitter and glam that is. Oh, I love it. Alright, so you can see my veins too. Anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like on my skin. Okay, so I literally just showed you guys what the dewdrop looks like on the back of my hand. The like flash on my cell phone definitely did help to show you guys, but if you look at it in real life, you're like, ooh. And if you look at it under the sun, you're like, ah. It's like, it's just gorgeous. So definitely something really pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'll be using this a lot more often. It can be like a nice highlight. Mix it, maybe like, I don't know, put it on your lips. I'm not sure. Just, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, definitely something I would go and purchase if you are a glitter shimmer girl. This is like your up your alley, your thing. Alright, so that is pretty much it, guys. Packaging's cute, definitely a good size. It is glass, so be careful. It smells nice. It's made in Italy. Alright, guys, so you can get it at Ulta, and I'm sure you can get it online as well. So that is pretty much it, guys. I guess hopefully you guys liked it, and if you like shimmer and glitter, like I said, go ahead and purchase it. And of course, if you haven't already, click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, tap on the notification bell, and follow me on all my social platforms. Links are down below in the description box, and that is it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!